Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to automatically generate a table of content. Okay, so to do that, you need to first give each chapter or each heading. You have to put them in either H1, H2, or H3, just as you want it to appear in your table of content. All right. So to get that done, you come to home, this particular place, home, right? And when you come to home, you come to styles. So under styles, that is where you can style your heading. Maybe you want it in H1, the ones you want in H2, the one you want in H3, right? Now, if you want to highlight this one to be H1, for example, here's what you do. Uh, you come to H1, modify it. So let's say you want to make it you want to make the font for H1 to be 22. You set it. Then let's say you want your heading to be centered, aligned. So you select the option. Then let's say you want to give it spacing. You select that as well. Then you click on OK. So it has not taken effect, but it's already highlighted. So you click on it again. See, it's not already center aligned. And let's say you want to make chapter 2 H1 heading as well. You do that, select that. Then why digital marketing strategy is essential. Let's say you want to make it H2. Okay, I'm just showing you as an example, right? Now let's say you want to make this 22, or okay, let's leave it at 18. Okay, so you want to make it 18, then you click on that. Then let's say you want to center the line as well. You select this option. And let's say you want to give a spacing between the the heading and the text, the body of the text. So you select that as well. Then you click on OK, right? H2. Okay, you see that it's centered line, right? So let's go through. Let's go through together. So H3. Okay, I'm sorry, H1 for chapter 3, then H2 for this for the heading. For chapter 4, H1, then the heading. Let's use H2. Okay. All right, then let's do for chapter 5. So chapter 5 H1, understanding your target audience, let's do H2 for that. Then chapter 6 H1. So I will just do this for the whole heading. Okay, so I have already started all the headings. Okay, for this particular one, this is H1. This is H2, this particular one is H2, then this one is H3. Okay, you know how to do that already. So so that is it. Now let's go to how to automatically generate a table of content. So this is the title of the book question, the complete guide to digital marketing strategy. It's a sample actually. So you come here. I've already created an empty space for a table of content where I want my table of content to appear. Okay, so here when you come to this empty page, you click on references. Okay, click on that. Then you select table of contents. Okay, now you can select from maybe automatic table 1 or automatic table 2. Okay, so but let's go with automatic table 2. Okay, now let's select that. Okay, good. Now you would see that everything is selected, everything, auto-generated, the headings and the document auto-generated. Now you can see from introduction, chapter 2, and then chapter 2, why digital marketing strategy is essential, chapter 3. So you don't need to say you want to manually type in the table of content and also the page number. You can see that everything auto generates. So if you want to introduction to digital marketing strategy, it's in page 4, right? And because of now you would see that now why it is showing 3 here is because this table of content before now, introduction to digital marketing strategy was here, was on page 3, but after generating the table of content, it extended beyond the page 2, which I created for the table of content. So that's why so to just rectify that, you can just right click on it and you click click on update field, okay, or you come here or you click on update table. Okay, now it will bring an option like, okay, let me do that again. So when you click on update table, it will bring these two options, either to update page numbers only or update entire table. So you just select update page numbers, so then click OK. Now you see that has automatically changed. So this is chapter 5. Okay, let's go to chapter 9. Chapter 9 is in page 12, right? Now let's go there automatically. So if you want to do that, you select your control button and then you tap it. Chapter 9. Now it takes us to chapter 9. Now chapter 9 is 12 here, right? Then from the table of content, it is what? It is in chapter, it's in page 12 as well. Now chapter 9 is in page 12. So you can see that you don't need to type in the table of contents manually and also put the page number manually. So everything is automated. So to get that done is what I've already explained. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. All right.